sa souvenir, libre ako. Hindi kasi kami nakamatala, ano. Na-excite tuloy ako. Ay. Nakakuha na ako ng bag, tapos dalawang keychain. Magnet tayo. Sa magnet tayo. Libre na to. Wallet. Pari ko. Tingin tayo ng wallet. May nakita akong wallet. Tapos na yun. Nakakuha na ako ng bag. Kasi yung wallet. Ay, ito pala. Ito yung wallet na Jordan. Libre to ni Sir. Siguro tama na to. Okay na po. Thank you, Sir. May bag pa ako. Lounge. Thank God. Hindi na ako na-hold. So, kukuha tayo ng pagkain. Kasi hindi kami nag-breakfast. So, kuha tayo ng pagkain. Dito, macaroni. Tingnan natin dito. So, kuha tayo ng pagkain. Doon kung ano yung mga pagkain na nandun. Tapos doon yung mga tinapay, ayun. Mga pizza. Pero lunch na eh. Lunch na siya. Diba? Thank you, sir. Patigil. Yun ang buffet. Yun. So, hindi ko alam kung mabibidyohan ko pa kasi hawak ko ng pinggan. So, mamaya na lang. Ayan yung mga pagkain. Ito yung nakuha kong food, salad, and rice. Beige, parang chopsy sa atin. So, kain tayo mga ka-solid foods. Kakape tayo. Kape. Beige ka mo? Ayun ang kape. Latte and carrot muffin and cheese pizza. Tikman lang. Tapos na kasi mag-lunch, so patunaw naman.
Secure your baggage in the overhead compartments or underneath the seat in front of you. Aisles and exits must remain clear at all times. Please fasten your seatbelt, put your seat back in the fully upright position, stow your tray table, and secure your video screen and footrest. In accordance with safety regulations, cell phones must be turned off or switched to flight safe mode during the entire flight. The use of portable electronic devices is prohibited during taxi, takeoff, and landing. To fasten your seatbelt, to tighten, to release your seatbelt. If you wish to sleep, your seatbelt must remain visibly fastened. Secure infants with an infant seatbelt, which will be distributed by the crew. When oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop automatically from the compartment above your head. Fasten your seatbelt immediately. Pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place it over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Oxygen masks in Crown Class are equipped with a red tab to help you grab the oxygen mask. When visible, pull it and secure your mask. Secure your mask before assisting others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, assume the brace position as shown on the screen. Emergency exits are clearly marked and located as shown on the screen and safety card. Take a moment to locate the exit nearest to you. Your nearest exit may be located behind your seat. If you are seated near an emergency exit, read the instructions on the placard next to the exit. If required, lighting at the lower edge of the seats will guide you to the nearest exit. In case of emergency landing on water, the evacuation slides at these exits may be used as rafts. A life vest is located under your seat or between the seats. When instructed by your crew, remove the vest from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten it firmly to secure. Life vest will be inflated while leaving the emergency exit. To inflate, pull on the red tab or blow into this tube. When the life vest is in touch with water, a light will automatically illuminate. Infant and children's life vests will be distributed by your crew and must be inflated before leaving the aircraft. Smoking regular and electronic cigarettes is strictly prohibited on board. All lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. Tampering with a smoke detector is against the law. Please take a moment to review the safety instructions card located in the seat pocket in front of you. Your cabin crew will now conduct a final cabin check before takeoff. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a pleasant flight.